Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to see history of videos watched on TikTok. First step is open the TikTok app on your mobile. Navigate your profile section is the bottom right. Tap on profile. Then select the three vertical line on the top right corner. Then tap privacy is the second option. And select download your data. Tap request data. Then select file format. Then tap request data. There you go. Once you have requested the data file, wait for 24 hours from TikTok to check and accept your data. You could also see the status of your request for the same tab. This request is pending.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.